Hey guys, what's up? Zach Calhoun here. Today I have a Pictastic.ai update for you. If you don't know what Pictastic is, it is for professional project delivery and free online photo storage for your media. So photos, videos, and of course, you can create project sites and share virtual tours and all your media all in one place. So folks, your customers can easily download your projects all in one beautiful project site. Okay, that's the quick summary. Let's get into the new feature. When you log into Pictastic.ai, it's free to log in. You can upload media in your media section. You can create albums in your album section, and you can create projects and create project sites. So similar to a project website or a property site, that's what you can create now with Pictastic.ai. And now we have a new feature where you can build a drag and drop project site. I'm just going to show you how it looks, how it works, etc. So you have the option to add media here in the project media section by clicking upload. You can add some highlights, which you're seeing right here in this section below, or you can just add albums. So I already have some preloaded albums that I've added into this project media area. And basically what project media is for is I'm trying to see, what do I want in the project, right? So I can add things into it. I can upload media, or I can add highlights. So I'll say I put this image right here with the stairs. I can click add highlights, and it will appear down here as so. I can also edit the project details. So if I wanted to make, let's say, a specific image, the cover image, then I would highlight that in the project details section, just like that. Okay, so I have all this project media here. Now, how do I make it where it's in a beautiful project site so I can deliver it to my customers quickly, easily, and of course, get paid in the process? So you click down here where it says create project site, and you'll see these options will appear. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and clear some of these out so we can start over. I'll show you what it looks like. So these are sections to your property site. So I'm going to add an album. I'm going to add maybe my highlights. I'll add an embed here because I can add virtual tours here. I'll also add a second album as well too. Okay. Now, all this is very simple. Is I can title the section. So say I want to call it photos. Okay. That's what I want to call that section. I can select an album. So I have the 4 albums that were in there. So I'll pick one, Real Estate Home. I can make highlights. So I can update the highlight section title. I can embed media. So for example, let's say you have a tour on CloudPano and you want to embed it. All you have to do is take something like this. Shout out to Terry Martin for this really cool tour that I like. So I'm using it as an example. You can just grab that URL from CloudPano. You can go to your project site, paste it right here, paste that URL, and you can say virtual tour. That's the URL. And of course, you can select your next section as well. Let's just pick the video section and call it video. These are just placeholders. And also, if I want to get fancy, I can drag and drop the sections very easily. And now we have album highlights, album, and embed section. Okay, interesting. I'm going to click projects publish site and see what happens. You can see a new tab will open. The title of my project appears here, who it's by, and then different sections I can jump to. I'm just going to scroll down and show you. So here's all the photos in that album. I can, of course, preview and look at them. So if I was to share this specific URL with my customer, they can look at the images, kind of get a quick feel for what they look like. They're kind of preview rendered, so not full resolution, but kind of a quick preview rendering. And then whenever they want to download that album, they click download album. So they'll be able to download this entire album just right here. And then, of course, we have the next section, which we called highlights. You add individual images, whatever you want to highlight, you can put there. I have a video album I showed you a moment ago, and the virtual tour as well is all embedded right there. So you can deliver all the media. So you see where it says share, deliver this URL or this embed code. All this can be delivered in one place in a beautiful project site. So the main things to know about this update are I can jump to different sections by clicking the buttons. I can add a virtual tour so I can embed media. I can easily, download and preview all these pieces of media as well too. And I can drag and drop and change as well. So if I go back here and I want to have my embed section be, say, the second section, I would just just drag it up real quickly, click publish site. And now it's going to open up this project in a new tab. And you see my second section is now the virtual tour tab I mentioned a moment ago. So that's how that works. Really simple, beautiful drag and drop editor, virtual tour embed, everything you could ever want from a project site deliverability. And it's simple, it's easy, and of course, it's on Pictastic.ai. So check it out today. Right now, this feature is free to try and test, and might as well give it a go as we are in beta with the project sites feature. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you inside.